Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to talk about ARP poisoning. ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol, is a protocol used by devices on a network to map IP addresses to physical MAC addresses. ARP poisoning is a type of attack that exploits this protocol to carry out a man-in-the-middle attack. The way it works is that an attacker sends out fake ARP messages to the devices on the network, tricking them into sending their traffic to the attacker's device instead of the intended recipient. The attacker can then intercept and manipulate the traffic, potentially stealing sensitive data or injecting malicious code. Ettercap is a powerful tool used for network sniffing, protocol analysis, and man-in-the-middle attacks. It's one of the most popular tools for ARP poisoning. One of the key features of Ettercap is its ability to sniff live connections and filter content on the fly. It can also perform active and passive dissection of many protocols including HTTP, FTP, Telnet, and more. Ettercap also provides a wide range of plugins for advanced functionality and support various sniffing modes, including IP-based and MAC-based sniffing. Overall, Ettercap is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for various network analysis and attack scenarios. Let's now go over to our demonstration. So right now we're back on our Kali Linux. First of all, open up Ettercap Graphical and enter the default password 123. You can find the right interface by doing an ifconfig command and then match your IP with your network adapter. So let's go and start the process. Press the search icon to scan all the hosts in the network and then go over to hosts. Here you can see all the hosts of our network. So for this demonstration, I will use my local machine, and my local machine IP address is 165. So select this one as target 1, then start your ARP poisoning attack. Click OK, and you will see that group 1 is your selected target and group 2 are any hosts. You can go to this website. This is an HTTP website with a login page to test for vulnerabilities. I've made an account on this website, but don't use your actual credentials, just use fake ones. Enter your username and password and click login. Now the page will load and we will get our credentials back in Ettercap. In the content you can see your username and password. So this was it for this demonstration. We've managed to retrieve the password with help of the HTTP protocol. You can do this basically for any HTTP website. So how can you protect yourself from ARP poisoning? First of all, use HTTPS. HTTPS encrypts your internet traffic, preventing attackers from intercepting and reading your data. So make sure you're in a secure connection. Second, use an antivirus software. It can be used to detect and remove malware that may be used to carry out ARP poisoning attacks. Third, limit your network access. Restrict access to your network to only trusted devices and users. Fourth, disable ARP. If you don't need to use ARP on your network, consider disabling it altogether. This can prevent ARP poisoning attacks, but may also limit some network functionality. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.